Hi guys, this is Monisha from SKCU Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Today we are going to discuss about the creation of tables using the HTML. Let us move to this content. Today's content is introduction to the tables creation and creating a basic table, adding an header to the tables, spanning rows and columns, then conclusion. We'll look one by one with the examples. First, we'll move towards the introduction of today's content. Introduction to table creation. Table creation using HTML is an essential skill set for the web developers. Tables are used to organize and present the data in a structured manner, making it easier for users to understand the analyze the information. HTML provides several tags that can be used to create a tables, including table, tr, th, td tags. These tags work together to define a structure of table and its content. Let's see with an example how it will looks. Okay, let me create in one more folder. I am creating a new file. In the last video, I have explained how to create a web page. So if you want to see, go to the my links. I'll be giving in a description. This.html. I have created one more file. Let us start. You can give style and languages too. Title. You can give anything as title. Body. We are going to create a table. Tag is table. tr. To create a row, we'll use tr. Page is used to give a heading. Data for that td. To input the content or data anything, we can give any type of data, numbers or informations, anything about countries, census, images, anything. We can give also the links for and the web pages or within a web pages, anything. I'm doing one and create one more tr. Ed. I'll save this. There's always a closing tag for this all tags, table tags, tr tags, td tags, th tags will contain close tags also. This and yes. This is how we created the table. This is one simple table. I am giving the how the structure will look like. Now we'll move what's next. This is how the table creation look like. Basic structure of the table. just now we saw the creating of a basic table. We use the for creating a basic table we need to use table tag to define the table and its attribute. We can use the tr tag to define each row. As I told, tr tag is used to define each row of the table, and td tag is defined to each cell within the row. Td tag is used to define each cell in the row, which means it contains the data of the each row. For example, is one simple code I have given here. So as I shown in a previous, this is also one more example. Next we will move to next. Adding header to the table. Headers provides the context to the for the table in the data and make it easier to understand. Headers are data in the table to understand what is the table containing. Like I have given heading 1, heading 2. It means it contains in the table row what is row containing, what is column containing. It gives a brief description about it. To add a header to the table, we have to use a ht tag. Yeah, sorry, th tag. We have to use the to add a header to a table. We can use the th tag within the tr tag to define a header row. We have to use the th tag within a tr tag. Tr tag inside we have to make the th tag to define header. I have shown in an example. Here one more example I have given. For example, the code is the table tr. Inside the tr we are declaring the tag th. As I shown you. Here I have shown this is table tr. Inside the tr tag we are declaring the th tag. After declaring the th tag we have to close the th tag, and once more we have to close the tr tag if we are completing the heading part, header part. Next, here is one more example for my putting headers. I'll show you here. This is how we can give the headings. Inside the headings, these are the contents. We can give the borders to it. For bordering, in the table tag, inside the table tag we have to give the border at the opening. Border. As your convenience, you can give the size of the border. I am giving 2 pixels. Now I'll show how it looks like. I've saved it. Let me refresh this. See, the border is appears here. Next, we can give the captions for the tables also. For the captioning of table, after table tag, we have to give the caption tag. Captions. I'm going to give an example. For table. And show you and refresh it. See, it's coming here. Above the table, the caption will come. And we can give a style for the captions, and we can give the style for the tables also, and color, which font you want, you can give. Next, spanning of rows and columns. Spanning of rows and columns means combining the 2 rows or 3 rows, combining the 2 columns or 3 columns. Sometimes we need to span cells across the multiple rows or columns. To do this, we can use the row span or column span attribute to the within the td tags. These are the 2 attributes to combine the rows and columns. Row span, if you use the row span, it will combine 2 rows. Column span, it will combine 2 columns. This has to be declared within the td tag. And here is one symbol code I have given. And one more example I've given here. Let me show you how it will looks like. It is one example. I'm giving row two, giving this is one example. Let's see. See, the two rows and two columns are combined here. Heading 1, I'll combine the two rows, and heading 2, I'll combine the two columns. This is how we can combine, and we can um, show it in a table. We can also give a header footer to the tables. I'll show you an example for giving a header and footers. One more table I'll create here. Border words. T head, which gives header of the content. T body. Inside the T body, you have to create rows and the columns. It. Next, I will give you foot. For footer, T foot is the tag. And how you are given for T head, same for TH. T foot. Head 1. That I will refresh this. One more, it's showing here. This is the header, body, and the footer. We can split this two by giving a horizontal line. After completing closing this tag, I am giving a HR tag. HR is an empty tag which does not contain the closing tag. It's an empty tag, single tag. It contains only a open tag. HR gives an horizontal line in the web page. This horizontal line, like this, it will be displaying. We can give the padding for this also. Of 5. represent the padding, and we can give color, we can give styles, and a variety of styles we can give. um, Only padding will come, and you can give height, width, border, color, left, right, margin, padding, position, top, background color, size. This all will come. This table will looks like enhancement in using the CSS also. Next, at the last, we have come to the today's conclusion. In the conclusion, the table creation using HTML is a fundamental skill for web developers. As I said in the starting, at the beginning, the web developers contain the skill set of table creations. It was must and should. Then tables are used to organize and present the data in the structured manner. How I presented in a structured manner. We have seen the example also like that. It organized and represents this data in a structured manner, making it easier for user to understand and analyze the information. This table creation is only in the basis of to understand and analyze the information in an easier way to the users. Only it is made. Then the tags are, very well about on the tags and the span columns, and we can give the styles for the tables using CSS. It can be more enhanced. I hope today I have clear with the table creations. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment box. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.